Here I have HUAWEI Mate 9 Pro, and let me show you how to enable the unknown sources on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using our home screen. Let's find and select the settings. Now you have to find and choose the security and privacy right here. Let's scroll down and tap more. Scroll down again. And here you can use install unknown apps right here. So here you can set up your unknown sources. For example, you can enable Chrome right here. Let's allow app installation from Chrome. You may do the same thing, for example, with the Gmail and with the other apps from the following list. So that's only unknown sources that you can use. So you can, in my case, you can use Chrome, Drive, Files, Gmail, or Phone Clone. Basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.